Hello everyone, good morning to all the English learners. This is Pooja and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this video I am going to show you something that is going to be very interesting and you are gonna enjoy this video of mine. So guys, let me unfold the things that I am going to show you in this video is showing you a glimpse of my entire house, and in the pretext of creating this video we are going to practice speaking English in real time. So I'm gonna make you understand how you can practice in real time of your speaking English in the case if you don't have any kind of conducive environment and speaking partner at your home. So how you can improve your English. So now let me go inside and show you. So guys, maybe you are not able to see properly of the house of my room because there is no electricity for the time being, so I cannot turn on the light and show you properly. There is a darkness in this room, so still little bit you can have a look at my room. This is my room, this is the computer table, and this is my bed. There is a photo which is stuck on the wall. So guys, first of all let me clear to you that the condition of the walls of my house is very pathetic. The place where I live is completely village. Here you can see the storeroom in which I have kept a lot of stuff which is not in use, which comes in handy sometimes. Actually we have inverter at our home, but in that room there was no connection of inverter. That was the reason there was darkness in that room. But here I can show you this room of my Sasuma. You can see here I have packed my luggage to move Jammu Kashmir. Let me tell you guys, by Monday or maybe by Tuesday I will be in Jammu Kashmir, so I have packed all the luggage which I need to carry with myself. Here you can see the picture of Ram Lala. Yeah, so the beauty of this picture cannot be explained in words. You can understand. You can see here there is a blanket which is lying on the bed, which is yet to be folded. This is the hall. You can see it is quite spacious. This is the dining table which we use when we have our breakfast, lunch and dinner. There is one more dining table which my elder son uses when he studies. There are some photos you can see here. These are the stairs. We usually go upstairs in the evening time to enjoy the weather and have a look at the birds flying in the sky. So we enjoy a lot. Now let me show you a glimpse of my temple. This is my temple. So first of all let me turn on the light. Yes, I have turned on the light. So now have a look at all the idols which are kept in my temple. Yes, let me show you closely. You can have a look at the big idol of Shiva. Shiva has a trident in his hand. Trident, that means Trishul. We can call it Trishul in Hindi, and in English we call it trident. Yes. So now let me take the camera towards my kitchen. Let me show you my kitchen. It is very spacious, you can see here. So this is the place where I spend half of my day. Now let me take the camera towards my courtyard. This is my courtyard. You can see how spacious it is. There are some clothes which are hanged on the clothesline. This is quite spacious. This is called clothesline, where clothes are hanged to put them to dry in the sunshine. So I have put some clothes to dry in the sunshine. You can see here. Yeah. Now this is the open area of my house. You can have a glimpse on it. How spacious it is, isn't it? There is a sitting room where my in-laws used to live 1 year ago, but last for the 1 year they have been living in city named Bhiwani, and unfortunately I am living here in village. But yes, I am passing my time, I am enjoying the nature, and this is the place which is one of my favorite place in my entire house. You can see the plants and the trees in the garden. This is the bale tree, which has a lot of bale fruits. You can have a look at the bale fruit. Yeah, but all are unripe now. I'm just waiting for them to ripen up so that we can enjoy the juice of belgri, because belgri is very delicious, or you can say it is very it is beneficial for our health, especially during winter season. So have a look at all the plants are there in my garden that I have planted. Guys, there is a water shortage at the place where I live. Due to water shortage, I am not able to plant as many plants as I would like. But still, I have planted few plants because I love, planting the plants, taking care of them, and I'm connected to nature. I'm nature lover. I love greenery. So yes, that was my practice. So today we did practice in real life. So guys, you can also practice this way at sitting home. You don't need to wait for any English speaking partner. Just practice by yourself. I'm telling you guys not to wait for anyone else, because waiting for someone is like standing besides the river and waiting for it to dry up on its own, something that will never happen. So it's better to practice by yourself rather than waiting for anyone. So thank you so much guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more such videos, drop me in your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, see you soon.